All right.
It would do like 85.
Because we can't get underneath to the drain plug, we're going to use this vacuum extractor.
Yeah, I'm past the point in my life.
That their vacuum extractor thingy.
Yep, which is a little tricky, but not too bad. You got to get down by the oil pump and really get into the...
Doors, cars, it's all the same.
So you get that down the dipstick hole,
Oh, no.
and then I'm trying to put a beverage in a koozie and shoot. You could have just took video of me being
do what I did.
dumb.
145 miles an hour down
All right, thank you.
a main drag on a motorcycle.
All right, so
If I'm gonna go, that's
goes down the dipstick.
Okay, you see how that just dropped down another inch or so?
Yeah.
So you gotta
gotta find
pick
the
the
spot.
right one. The bigger one doesn't want to go down.
I hate it when that happens.
You just gotta beat it.
I caught that.
Is there a West Marine out here?
Yeah, over closer to the water.
Not much need for one in the desert, I guess.
Yeah. Well, they got Lake Chalupa over there.
Next to the water.
Did you just say Lake Chalupa?
Yeah, what's that thing called?
Lake Kauai. You
that's
can't
a-
take a boat on that.
Could.
Yeah, and get
Probably one.
in trouble.
Oh, look, it's coming out.
Look at that.
Oh, look.
And once it gets going, like siphoning gas, you just let it go.
Yeah, because you're leaving the vacuum in that tube right there. When's the last time you changed the oil?
Too long ago.
That's the spirit.
If it's not baked on the heads, you're not done yet. It's still good. Oh, there it goes. Look at that.
There it goes.
How many quarts does it hold?
Oh my gosh.
The engine 5.5, I think.
Allie needs a step stool.
Here.
That's right. Yeah, it's fine.
Your cruise
It's fine.
is
No, no,
370?
no.
470.
Okay.
I can
I'll
see.
look that up.
4 cylinders, 170 horsepower.
I like it.
Some people love them and some people hate them.
Wait a minute. Is that a... Is that a Duke?
No, it's half of a Ford 460.
Okay. All right. Here we go. 5.5 U.S. quarts. 5.2 liters if you were doing a metric. I've got one of these. We hook it up a shop here.
Well, la-di-da, Andre. La.
Mine's a mighty vac.
Dee-da.
So is each one of those lines as a quart?
It's a mighty vac, so it's definitely sucking.
I would guess.
Nah, that'd be a big quart.
You can also use it 6.5 liters.
I knew where you were going with that.
Oh, girl.
All right. So we're going to let that
Get up
drink.
from there.
Let's see if we can get some.
Actually, yeah, while we're doing this,
I might be stuck.
it's somebody's job to make sure this keeps going, and if it doesn't, you give it a pump or two, which means you'll probably have to jump in the boat.
Somebody
And
pay
we'll
attention.
start working on the
I'll
outdrive.
handle your pumping. Chris has got that.
Oh, girl, you're going to be pumping?
Yeah, you have to pump up to
Does that thing hold
25 times.
25 liters? Is that what it says on the very top?
6.9 quarts, 6.5 liters, and I don't know what the
What's
25
the
is.
25? 25 year warranty?
25 is, you can empty in 25 pumps or less. Patented technology.
Ah, yeah. How did you count your pumps?
I guess
not
that
at
must be a
25.
really, really good sucker.
When you're really excited, it only lasts 25 pumps. If that.
No, that's why you get a water bed and push once and let the bed do the rest.
Well, look, you're at the first one almost. The first
Yeah, I'm trying to find the legend here for what the hell that means.
What,
Well, if
25
it's
pumps or
6.5
less?
2,
liters,
3, 4,
there's 6 of
5. There's
those.
6 of those.
Oh, well, there you go.
So one should be a liter.
So then there we go.
Liter.
So we got a
That
long
was
way
good
to go,
counting
basically.
there, Wick.
Yeah. All right, we'll come back to this.